Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Many people choose Vanguard for their investing journey. It's known for offering really low-cost funds, which can save you a lot of money over time. Plus, their unique structure means they are actually owned by their fund shareholders, putting your interests first. It's a solid choice for building wealth. Before you dive into the application, take a moment to gather a few key things. You'll need your social security number and some basic employment details. Also, make sure to have your bank account and routing numbers handy, as you'll use those to fund your new account. Getting these ready upfront really speeds up the whole process. Now, let's walk through the actual online application. Head over to Vanguard's official website, and you'll easily find the Open an Account button. From there, you'll simply choose the type of account you want, whether it's a general brokerage account or maybe a retirement one. Just follow the clear, step-by-step prompts, entering your information accurately as you go. Once your account is officially opened, it's time to add some funds. The easiest way is usually to link your bank account directly for an electronic transfer. Vanguard makes this quite straightforward, and you can generally set up a one-time deposit or even recurring transfers. They offer a few different options to get your money invested, making it convenient for you. Congratulations, your Vanguard brokerage account is open and funded. Now the exciting part begins, choosing your investments. Vanguard has a wide selection of low-cost index funds and exchange-traded funds, which are great for diversification. Remember, consistency is key in investing. Take your time, make informed choices, and enjoy watching your financial future take shape.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.